Doesn't it look absolutely awesome? Now we're ready to turn it on and actually start playing some awesome games. So the first thing to know is that the switch is on the back. So to turn it on, flick it right, and you'll see the light up marquee turn on and the OLED turn on. And then you'll see we have the joystick so we can navigate through the category screens. So you'll see this is RPG, racing, etc. Just to help categorize the 30+ games that are on there. And so for example, I'm gonna navigate to Game and Watch, like so. And if I scroll down, we get to the individual games. So for example, I press down and that is Fire Panic. So if I click A, it will take me to the game. As you can see now, the game is loading up like so. And then I click A again and the game starts playing. And I can actually go ahead and start playing the game. Awesome. So another thing to note is that when you go to the menu screen and you click A, that will actually load up the last previously played game. So that's useful if you have a game that you absolutely love and you keep playing and you don't really need to navigate through the category screen. As well as you might see me coming out of the game once I've clicked on it, and I'm actually turning the console around because the reset button, as labeled here, is located at the back. So if you go ahead and go into a game like so, you can hear the buzzing going. If you flip the console around, you can actually put your finger inside that and click the reset button, and that will take you back to the menu screen so you can play any other game. The next thing to note is the blue cable. This is used to program your device and charge it. The connector on the console is located on the side here, so you can just plug it in and plug it into, again, a power bank, wall outlet, whatever you like, or also your laptop to program it, and that will also charge it as well. Another thing to note is that on the back has two LEDs that indicate whether it is fully charged or if it's charging. So as you can see, the red light has turned on, which, as it says on the back of the console, means it is charging. Once the green light appears, it means it's fully charged. If you're not sure what games to play, head on over to Arcade, and there you'll find a game called 1944, which is this awesome side-scroller shooter where you're in a plane and you're shooting down other planes, and it's pretty cool. It's one of my favorite games. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you had an absolute blast making your microcade, and hopefully you learned something too, specifically maybe how to solder, a little bit about electronics and the assembly process that goes together. I hope you enjoyed these videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.